What's up, guys? Unloading the old pick 'em up, meeting up with a buddy or two. Well, they're meeting me. I'm the one with the canoes, but we are going to go do some frogging. And I'm going to challenge myself to use the old Smith & Wesson 22. But right now, I gotta unload my truck, go load up the canoe and get everything situated. So, stay tuned. Yeah. We're gonna go shoot some froggies, load up the canoe, letting the GoPros charge a little longer, and then I snap my finger with the frogging. Now that we all loaded up, we're actually gonna do a mini hunt because Ryder wants to go. So we're gonna load up, go over to my parents' pond, and if we shoot a couple, we shoot a couple, and he has fun, he has fun. If not, I don't know. I got fishing poles too, so let me check out some fish while we're over there. So stay tuned. What you got?
Tiny spider.
What about the wild strawberry right there?
What is it?
Yeah.
Wait, can I eat it?
Yeah.
It's yucky.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's go try to catch some fish. Plug in your ears. Look at that big old bullfrog.
Good job.
Thanks, bud. There we go.
Yeah.
Careful, dude.
I got it off here. Is that a big one?
No, it's just a little guy. I'll let you know to plug your ears. Okay?
What's this thing?
Catching any?
Yeah.
You got one?
Not yet. Oh,
Holy cow, dude.
I caught one.
Reel him in. Keep reeling.
Still on.
Still on?
Yeah, I caught one. And I caught.
There we go.
I caught first one.
Yes, sir.
I got some grass. Is this one?
Plugging them?
Yeah.
You plugging them?
Yeah.
Got him that time.
Shoot.
Plug them?
Yeah.
One, 2, 3, 4. Over him. Over him. Yeah, it is. If you want to plug your ears, you can. Well, I broke one of the fucking things off in him. Just double down on it. You see? Oh, I think he's smoking. I think he jumped, but I think he took him right in the top. Yeah, he's kicking around. Grilled him. One beauty. Not a bad one. Ain't no smaller, no bigger. This beer's coming in clutch though, I'll tell you that much. He wasn't sticking around. Mid-sized one. Elite. Oh shit. Got him. I think you got him. Well, tailgate full of them. Me and Ricky dusted them up. Should be a cool little video for you guys. I don't know how it's going to turn out. It's going to be mostly GoPro footage because I wasn't dragging any camera out there, but whole tailgate full of them. What was our total number?
43.
Plus 10 that me and Ryder killed earlier in this video. So 53 total for the day. And what's my hair? Oh, pine needles. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I don't know, it's the first one I've done for fragging. It's how I frag my whole life, 22s. Every now and then you take fishing poles where you don't feel comfortable with 22s or you're afraid the water's going to skip. But it was a good time. We're going to get to cleaning these things, and then maybe I'll do a secondary little video or a short or something on how I cook them, the little recipe that I made up when I was a kid. That makes them turn out pretty good, so shebang.